Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find control settings in Forza Horizon 6. So first open your pause menu. After that we need to select settings. Under settings we need to go to controls and then select change input mapping. Under this option we have two tabs, controller and keyboard. If you want to change keys for your controller, then under controller just select the key you want to swap. So if you want to swap rewind key, then just select it. Remap the key you want to assign it now and then the key will be changed. If you want to change keys for keyboard, then go to the keyboard tab. Under it select any of the key and then we need to choose our profile and assign the key you want to use for your keyboard. I don't want to do any of the changes, that's why I'm just gonna go back from here. After making changes you need to select save options from bottom and your changes will be saved, so I'm not gonna save it. So this is the process to find control settings in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.